You want out? Let me out of the cage. Let me out. Let me out of the cage. Come on. Do not like the camera. Do not like this. Do not like this in your face. The fuck is it? I can see myself in it. Why? What is this? Look at him, he's so confused. My dad yesterday built this. He's not the biggest fan of it though, but he's got to learn to be, because it's his little play thing. Why don't you like it? Step up! We're going on an adventure. Look at this. This morning, the Explosion Network, the lighting there was too. This morning, the Explosion Network is doing a, from 10 AM in a couple minutes until like late, I suppose, midnight-ish tonight, stream in celebration of getting affiliated on Twitch. And I mean, it's a whole round celebration of just doing really well, I suppose, and stuff like that, and it's going to be a great time. I unfortunately have to go to work this afternoon till late tonight, so I will miss most of the day's festivities. However, I'm jumping on this morning for participating in as much as I possibly can. This is not helpful to you, because you will be watching this tomorrow, and you would already have missed out. However, you should go to twitch.tv/Explosion Network for any future streams anyway, and explosionnetwork.com. Anyway, I've got to jump stuff to... Okay. That's that, that's everything, that's the complete of that. I mostly just chilled with Kieran for that entire time on stream. Jack and John are going, now there'll be people going, people are going to be streaming the entire time at work. Makes me feel fucking fantastic to be at work. This is not terrible though. Shit day. Let's go home. Driving home, I had like, my eyes like started hurting, and I had like that thing where your body starts to feel like it's falling asleep. Like you're awake, you're conscious, but your body's just like falling asleep on you. So we're not going to bed. There's a solution to these things.